Welcome to our Keto Diet 1-Week Meal Plan video. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can help you lose weight and improve your health. Let's dive into our delicious and easy-to-follow meal plan for the week. Breakfast on day 1. Start your day with scrambled eggs cooked in butter, topped with avocado slices. Lunch. Enjoy a spinach salad with grilled chicken and olive oil dressing. Dinner. Indulge in a juicy steak with broccoli sautéed in garlic butter. Day 2 breakfast. Try a bacon and cheese omelette with a side of berries. Lunch. Feast on a tuna salad stuffed in a bell pepper. Dinner. Savor a salmon fillet with asparagus roasted in olive oil. Day 3 breakfast. Kickstart your morning with a Greek yogurt parfait topped with nuts and seeds. Lunch. Dig into a turkey and avocado wrap using lettuce leaves. Dinner. Enjoy a zucchini noodle pasta with creamy Alfredo sauce. Day 4 breakfast. Indulge in a coconut flour pancake with sugar-free syrup. Lunch. Relish a Caesar salad with grilled shrimp. Dinner. Treat yourself to a pork chop with green beans sautéed in bacon fat. Day 5 breakfast. Try a chia pudding made with coconut milk and topped with shredded coconut. Lunch. Enjoy a Cobb salad with ranch dressing. Dinner. Feast on a bunless burger with a side of coleslaw. We hope you enjoy our Keto Diet 1-Week Meal Plan. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health content.